If you're a big Jeffree Star fan, you may already know what is in here. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Alright, cool. This. Ooh. Hi, I'm Pat. Hi, I'm Pat. Hi, I'm Pat, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to open up a Jeffree Star mystery box that was sent to me from Dee from the NB network. I'll link her down below in the description. Make sure you give her a follow. I'm so excited because it is a custom-made mystery box just for me. I had to rip the address and stuff off of there, but you can see this is a custom box sent to me. So I am very excited to open this up, check out what's inside. So keep on watching and we'll open this up together. Okay, so I got some scissors. I'm going to open this up. Love Dee. Aw, thank you, Dee. I'm so excited. Look, there's pink tissue paper in here. So let's see what is in here. Ooh. Okay, so I see a mini breaker palette. Ooh, underneath there's some stickers. Oh, there's all sorts of good stuff in here. Okay, there's a liquid frost in the color Heat Wave. We've got some more tissue. This. Ooh. Okay, so we got the velour liquid lipstick in the color Shane from the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson collab. So excited to try that too. What is this one? Okay, so this is another velour liquid lipstick in the color First Class. Alright, cool. And there's some Jeffree Star stickers in here. And I think I know exactly what I'm going to do with these. I am going to turn these into fridge magnets. And there's something else in here. If you're a big Jeffree Star fan, you may already know what is in here. I have a pretty good idea. Peppermint frost. I'm so excited. Ah, look at this. Alright, so this is the Skin Frost Pro palette that was part of the Christmas collection, I believe. Peppermint Frost, Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It says this product can be used for your face and your body. So let's open that up and check it out. Ooh, look at that. Looks like a candy cane. Wow. Peppermint frost. Ooh. There we go. We've got Ugly Sweater, Igloo Gold, and Chocolate Ice. Yep, and it smells just like peppermint. Wow. They're so pretty. I don't know if you can see these up close. They're shimmery. I guess it is a highlighter palette. Wow. Alright, so I'm going to swatch these in just a minute along with the other things here. Okay, so the next thing, let's take a look at the mini breaker palette. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Wow, Dee, thank you so much for sending me all this stuff. This is going to be fun. I'm going to test out a lot of things. And that bright neon packaging, so nice. Wow, reminds me of my Jawbreaker video. Okay, mini breaker. Bam, 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 bam. There we go, mini breaker. Wow. Alright, check out those colors. And those are called Double Scoop, Orange Crush, Foreplay, Oral, Purple Punch, Slice, Bubblegum, Bite Me, and Hot Fudge. Wow, Orange Crush right away I can see is super shimmery. I guess the lighting in here makes it sort of show up like that, but that's going to be a lot of fun to play with. I've got some swatching to do. Alright, so next let's check out Liquid Frost. And this is the Heat Wave. Ooh, pretty. Wow. A little too much of that. It's like a really bright copper color. This Liquid Frost a lot goes a long way. I did that with my gold one too. I put it on my face and suddenly my whole face was that color. But that's a neat copper color. I wonder if that would match my beard. Maybe. Might be a little too red for my beard. Wow, super shimmery. Alright, so that is the Liquid Frost in the color Heat Wave. You can see that on my hand and on my face. Okay, so this is Heat Wave and this is Crown Royal. So I'm just going to compare them to each other so you can see the difference. You can see that's a much more yellow gold. And then Heat Wave's more copper. Very pretty. Thank you so much, Dee. I'm so excited to play with these. Okay, so let's swatch the Peppermint Frost. So we've got Ugly Sweater, Igloo Gold, and Chocolate Ice. So Ugly Sweater... Okay, so that is a really light highlighter. These are all highlighters. Next, Igloo Gold. And then Chocolate Ice. And we'll try Igloo Gold over here. So that is the Peppermint Frost palette swatched all over my face. Whew, those are bright. I love these highlighters. They are fantastic. So shiny. Woo! Next, let's swatch the Velour Liquid lipsticks. So we'll start off with the color Shane. Oh, that's a pretty color, and the packaging too. Oh, it smells like root beer. Immediately, totally smells like root beer. I love the smell of this. Like, I'm not a big root beer fan, but that was a pleasant surprise. Yes, definitely love that. Okay, so the next lip color to swatch, the Velour Liquid lipstick, is First Class. So open that up. Ooh, and that looks like a gold color. Ooh, that's a really pretty gold. Just to compare that, I'm going to compare it to the Crown Royal Liquid Frost. Looks sort of similar. It's got more of a brown undertone, I think. So there's the lipstick, and that's the highlighter. Next thing I'm going to swatch is the Mini Breaker palette, which looks very similar to the Mini Controversy palette. They are the same size. They both have raised lettering, mirrors on the inside. And look, when you put them together, it's almost a whole palette. Hey, look, that shade Controversy over here looks an awful lot like Purple Punch, the middle one over here. That's a controversy.
That's a controversy.
Alright, but we're not going to use that one today. I'm going to swatch these ones from the Mini Breaker palette. They're so pretty, and so there's 4 shimmery ones there, and then 5 matte ones. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly prime my face and do some foundation, and I'll be right back. And I went for a very rosy look today with some bright pink. That is the color Bubblegum from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mini Breaker palette. That one right here. So I used that for blush and went for sort of an e-girl look with the bright pink. So now I'm going to follow that up with some swatches. Oh, also, I have the worst time trying to figure out what color works well for my eyebrows. And the color in here called Hot Fudge, that's this one here. That's what I use to fill in my brows, and I think it is the perfect color. They're not too dark and not too orange and not too weird, and I think they look good. So that's what I use for that. So I'm really happy with that. Already I've got a gray blush shade and a brow shade, so fantastic. I'm going to move on to swatching all the different colors. Okay, so I'm going to start off with some of these stencils. Alright, so I'm going to just start off with the first row. First color being Double Scoop. Next is Orange Crush. And the next color is Foreplay. Okay, and that's the first row all complete. Okay, and the next color is Oral. After Oral is Purple Punch. The next color is called Slice. That's this one here. After Slice is Bubblegum. Okay, we got 2 more. Next is Bite Me. And finally, the last color, Hot Fudge. Okay, so that's all 9 colors swatched, so let's take the little stencils off. It's a really pretty gold. Got some more purple. Hot Fudge. And then at the top, got the purple. And I added some green in for leaves. And over here, Double Scoop. And lastly, right in the middle, the orange. There we go. So we got all 9 of those swatched. Let me know in the comments down below which color is your favorite out of the Jeffree Star Mini Breaker palette. That is my swatching of the Jeffree Star Mini Breaker palette, all 9 shades on my face. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some jewels to go along with it. So I've got these ones here. I'll leave a link down below if you want to order your own. Alright, so we've got the face jewels on with the swatches. I love how those look. Those are so fun. So the next thing I'm going to do is just add some of this Fenty Beauty How Many Carats Diamond Bomb. And this is so pretty, very sparkly. So I'm going to add some of that on my nose and on my eyes. I'm not sure if you can see how sparkly it is, but it is very sparkly. Highly recommend. Now I am all sparkly. Alright, so that was testing out the Mini Breaker Jeffree Star palette and the Peppermint Frost highlighter palette, along with a few other goodies that I got sent. Thank you so much to Dee for sending me these awesome Jeffree Star products. I am so excited. I love all of them so much. Make sure you connect with Dee on YouTube and Twitter. I will link everything in the description down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for another video. Bye! La la la. Peppermint, peppermint, peppermint frost. Peppermint, peppermint, peppermint frost.